today I plan to dig up a viburnum start. It started on its own. It was a branch that came off the plant like this, and then it actually rooted. And I had thought originally of taking some cuttings to propagate more viburnum, but when I saw that they had rooted naturally like this, I thought that it might work to actually dig them up and transplant them so that they already had some good start to them. So as you look down here, you can see there's actually a branch that came off the plant and it rooted. So I'll dig that up. I've snipped it from the mother plant. I've loosened it in the soil. I can feel underneath that I've got it cut through. There are a few places over here where there are probably some roots from the trees surrounding these shrubs. I'll cut them free. And there we have a new shrub. I'll plant this in a spot where there's nothing currently growing. You can see that there were some other competing tree roots in there. That's what was making it difficult to get out. But this actually looks like it has a pretty good root structure to it. We'll get a good start on this. So now we'll take it over to the spot I want to plant it. And now I'll dig the hole here where I want to plant it. We'll have a new shrub. Looks like that's about deep enough. Soil's nice and soft here. It's got years and years of leaf mold growing here. It's really nice soil. Sitting here underneath a large maple tree. But in this particular spot, it still gets a good amount of sun in the summertime. I think it'll do fine here under the tree, since the tree is trimmed high enough. And we have a shrub. Nice new viburnum. It's getting ready to even bloom for this spring. Check back on it in a few weeks, see how it's doing. And there we have it.